Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is also the S&P 500. Today is July 7th. It's almost 6 o'clock East Coast time. The S&P is edging higher. We said a couple of days that it's going to edge higher and it's going to test this support, this resistance right here. If it can break this resistance, the next level is this side. If it doesn't break this resistance, then we expect it to tumble and retry again. If I am trading today, I'll back off. It is too high. Either I get a pullback and trade it up, or wait for this to break this level, come back, retest the support, and then you can trade it to the upstart. So my recommendation is to back off because it's too high, or you wait for a pullback and can trade it to the north side. I hope this helps. Safe trading today. See you next time.